So today I'm going to be installing a wire rope trellis for my Clematis, which is down there on the lawn. And I've selected a suitable section of my fence which should get a good amount of sunshine in the summertime. I'll just show you my kit. So in my little kit down here I've got 35 meters of cabling, 6 turnbuckles, 8 wire rope clamps, 20 aluminium crimping loop sleeves, 12 steel thimbles, 12 eye screws, and 12 expansion bolts, which I don't need because I'm not drilling into concrete. It's a bit of a weird number of the rope clamps, because I think you need one of these rope clamps on each side. And originally I was going to do two separate sections with 3 wire ropes, because I've got 6 turnbuckles. You only need 1 turnbuckle per side, but if I've only got 8, that means I can only do 4 ropes as far as I can tell from here. So what I'm going to do is just do a 12-foot section with 4 ropes, and that will leave me with some spare turnbuckles and stuff, but we'll see how it goes. And now I'm hoping, now I've drilled that in there, that this should screw into the wood reasonably easily. It seems to be going in there, which is nice. And I'm going to get on and do all the other ones. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal ones going like that, and then I'm going to run the wire through these ones which I've left vertical, and then 4 over here which are again horizontal, which will be where the wire ends. With these turnbuckles, they seem to have come supplied already fully tightened up, so I think the trick is to undo them all so that once they're installed, every now and again you can go around and tighten them up a little bit. So that's what I've done with this one here. So I'm going to go and do the same with the rest of them now. And then the next thing I need is these little dooblies here, which I'm going to go and attach to the end of the turnbuckles. So there we have one of those attached to the end of each turnbuckle. They quite fiddly actually, had to prise them apart before I could get them on. And I do believe I need to attach them all to the other end as well. And there we have the little these little doobrys on the end of the eyes on that side, and attached to the turnbuckles over here. Right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a length of wire slightly longer than I actually need, and then attach one of these to the end and attach it to the side with the turnbuckle on. So you can see that I've threaded the cord through the thimble and through the eye of the turnbuckle, and then through this little clamp here, pulled it as tight as I can. And the next thing I'm going to do is fasten one of these clamps just round here, and that should then clamp it all in place. So there's the other end fastened with the little crimp and the little fastener there. So the wire's quite slack at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'll just tighten this up, and that will then tighten the wire up. At least that is the theory. There we go, so you can see I've tightened it up there. The wire's nice and tight now. I'm going to just carry on and quickly do the rest of them, and I'll show you when I'm done. And there we have the completed wire trellis, all nice and taut. And securely fastened down the end here. So yeah, quite pleased with that. That should do the trick. So I'm thinking about probably planting my clematis down there, and then it will just fill out this wire trellis, which will be lovely. I'll have to dig quite a deep hole for it though, I think. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.